So it's just like signing up on any website like Google or Facebook. You sign up before you become a member. So every semester you're expected to register again. Those who have not done that before, they will be expected. Those who have dropped out, they will be expected to register again so that they get back into the game. So there are two portals anyway. Recently, the CEAGS separated from this one. Initially, this was just the only portal but recently, the Center for Entrepreneurship and General Studies separated from this one. They now have their own GST website and portal, where students take assignments for only GST courses. So apart from that, this particular portal is for every other course, every other non-GST courses. You take their TMAs here. TM is tutor marked assignments, where you submit your assignments. And the first step for every student at the beginning of every semester is to register on the website. So you will come here, you click on students for portal registration, click on register. You can log in if you have registered before, but for now, this tutorial is for registration. Click on register and the portal will open a registration page, a registration form for you. So this is the form. You just have to fill in your data and submit. On mobile phone, if you open it, this is how it will look. This is the menu here. You will have to click this menu and then it will display other menus. Then you can look at, you can see the login menu here. You can log in through that link. Then you will have to scroll down to find the form here on mobile phone. This is how it will look on mobile phone. So all you have to do is fill in the student's information. So let's fill the form. You choose the state. The state of origin here will have Kogi. Scroll down, find Kogi state. Password. Your password has to be the same. Whatever you typed as your password is what you will type as the verified password. It has to be exactly the same, otherwise the registration will fail. So at this moment, we are through with filling the form. So what we do next is simply submit. Wait for the computer, the portal to process it, then we'll know the response. If the students have registered earlier, it will tell you. If the student have not registered earlier, you still get a response. Here, look at this. It says success. It says success. On desktop view, look at where the success is. It says success. At this point, the student have been registered for second semester 2019 second semester. Now, this one is simply a portal registration. It is completely free. It has nothing to do with money. So the next we're going to view is how to log in, which is very simple too. So at this moment, you can simply go back and click login. You can click login anywhere you say login, even if it's at the home page, you click login. Then here you type the student matric number, NOU, and then the password. Type the password and submit. Perfect. This is it. The passport, the name, the details, the course the person says studying. Look at this, business administration, BSc. So it gives you the person's balance. This is the home page. That's your portal, your student's account. This is your account. Everything you do here is just for you. It's just you. So now what you do next is to register for the semester. Let the school know that you are back by paying 18,000 naira. Though this person does not have up to 18,000 naira in her balance. If you look at this, you have 10,000 naira. This negative 130,000 is what the person have, what the school have deducted from the total amount the person paid or the student paid into his or her wallet. The money that has been deducted from the student's wallet is this negative, and the money here before this parenthesis is the balance. If you see 0, that means you have 0 balance. If you see minus 100,000, it means you are owing 100,000. For a student to register for the semester with the sum of 18,000, it is very simple. Click on this registration. You will see what you can do. On mobile phone, look at how it looks. Look at the view. On mobile phone, when you log in, this is what you will see. When you log in on mobile phone, this is what you will see. Then you will have to click on this menu so that you can see the available options. To view your wallet, you click on wallet, view wallet. The moment is not audited. If it were audited, 50,000 here would equally be 50,000 here. 40,000, 40,000, 50,000, 50,000. That means the payment have reached the school. They have received the payment. So at this moment, this person, for now, the payment have not been confirmed. That's what I mean by auditing. The payment for this person is not yet confirmed. That's why this place is completely blank. So after login for the semester, you create an account for your portal, you log in. The next is to register for the semester with a sum of 18,000 naira. Click on registration, click on semester registration. On this registration menu, you see exams registration, courses, and all that. So when you click on this registration, semester registration, so this is the semester registration page for this student. You scroll down. You can only perform this if you actually have up to 18,000 naira in your balance, which is the semester fee. So you will come there for returning students. So you scroll down, look at this person. If you come down here, this is the person's details. And as a returning student, that's not a new student. This is not for new students. New students, they pay 36,000. Old students pay 18,000 per semester. So after that 36,000 for new student, they continue paying 18,000 until they graduate. So for this one now, this person is supposed to pay 18,000 naira. So I'm supposed if she had up to 18,000 here, I would simply come down here and click submit, and that is all. To simply tell you success, no stories. That is semester registration. To check your results, you simply go to, or take your TMA, you go to your courses. You simply click on view results. Wait for it. After a moment, your results will be displayed. Look at this. Look at the person's result here. To display the person's result. But this one is not looking so sweet, but it's still result. And now it's not all that easy to graduate. Look at this. Incomplete. It's either this person did not complete her TMA, or the person did not write. It said NT. It's clear. No TMA. It were NA. That means no exam. So awaiting verification. This one's that's how you check results.